She joins us most mornings. Well, actually every morning so far, haven't you, little one? Morning, guys. It's another wonderful morning in Rhodes, and this is a Freddo cappuccino. It's like my drink of choice at the moment here because Constantina makes it so delicious. It's amazing. Today's my birthday. Today's my birthday. I'm 1,000 years old today. This is a lovely little spot. Sit and have breakfast. So look at this lovely breakfast we've got. We've got bread, we've got Greek yogurt, we've got olives, we've got cheeses, tomatoes, nuts, honey. Really nice breakfast. What we got? Yes. There we go. You guys go smell-o-vision. It's just absolutely lush. Dinky. Oh, yeah. Breakfast was absolutely delicious. So we're now on our way to Calathia Springs. I just pick up a hire car for the day. It's only €30, which is pretty good. So that's what we're gonna do. Oh look, the ocean's just there. Wow, it's a unique spot, isn't it? Ocean just there. And then these ruins. Acropolis of Rhodes under construction at the moment. We've gone back in time. Let's just pretend they're being constructed. So this is the Amphitheater. Are you entertained? Peter's the conductor. No, Orpheus. Greek plays.
Yeah, they were the first to do theatre, weren't they? Yeah.
We were whispering down below, and Dan from up the top here could hear us. I guess the Greeks invented kind of a stage, a theatre. The Greeks invented everything. They're too big for their boots. No, I'm joking. Give us a performance. Oh wow!
Today I will be the Wonder of Dance.
Woo! Woo!
He's always excellent. Never disappoints.
Never disappoints. Oh, but very short. Oh, fantastic. So here we are at Calathia Springs. It's said that people have been coming here since the 7th century BC to experience the water's healing properties. Pete's made a friend. Oh, look at you.
No.
Little sausage. And Dan's got another friend here. They're so cute. You wouldn't think it, but apparently during World War II, the springs was turned into a prison by the Germans. It was restored and renovated in the last 10 years. And now it's beautiful. We can explore it and see what it's like. So out of season, there's not much going on. Normally there's a bar area here. Obviously out of season, there's not really much. You have to pay to get in. It was €12 for all 4 of us, so that works out €3 each. I think in season it's 5. It's okay. Don't know if it'd be worth going out of your way for though, because maybe in season it would be, but out of season, probably not. So after all that exploring, we worked out quite an appetite. Pete and Dan went off and had lunch somewhere, and me and Tig decided to stop at a lovely little Greek place to have some traditional Greek food. So we had this a few times when we were in Greece. It's called mastika, and it's like a clear liqueur that they have in Greece, often given as a welcome drink. Apparently mastika is made by distilling mastika crystals, then some sugar is added. It's actually quite sweet. It kind of reminds me a little bit of a Turkish delight with that kind of like floral taste, and it's quite nice. I can't say enough about the food in Greece. What on earth are they trying to do to you? They're trying to make me have to be on my £600 life, because I swear to God, there's so much food here. And look at that salad. Have you seen anything so humongous? It's like it's gone steroids or something. Definitely found that as a common theme in Greece. We were always very, very well fed. So it's time to say goodbye to Pete and Dan. It had been a great few days with them in Rhodes. A perfect way to spend my birthday. We had such a good time with them and it was just a lovely few days. We're in the Union in Rhodes for my birthday. It's my party goers. Peter on the lights.
Hello.
Daniel on the decks. Tig on the crab. And they kindly gave us free drinkies because it's my birthday. So after saying goodbye to Pete and Dan, Tig and myself couldn't resist having a quick stop off at Pinocchio Sweets in Rhodes. I love this place. It's so full of childlike wonder and of course sweets. So we decided to try one of their crepes. I had the chocolate strawberries and cream and Tig had the strawberry praline and biscotti ice cream crepe. These crepes hit the spot. They were absolutely delicious and the perfect way to end my birthday in Rhodes. Absolutely fantastic day. I loved it. Good vibes, good food, good company, and I hope you guys enjoyed this part of our adventure. There's still more to come from this Greek holiday, so hope you guys enjoy it and we'll see you next week.